Welcome to our Monet bridge painting. Today, we are going to be doing the drawing portion of our artwork. For this lesson, we learned about an artist named Claude Monet. Can we all say Monet? Good job. Right? He was very famous for painting things that were outside. Right? That was called Impressionism. Can we say Impressionism? Nice job. Right? So what he would do is he would get the impression of a scene. So what it looked like, the colors and the light. Today we're just doing the drawing in pencil, and we are going to add some details with oil pastel. First, we are going to draw the bridge. Right? So what you're going to do is you are going to make 3 rainbow lines in the middle of your paper. 1, 2, 3. Right, do you see how it looks like a rainbow? Because it goes up and it goes down right in the middle. This is going to be our bridge, so we need to add some fence lines for our bridge. So I'm going to add some lines straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 lines I added straight up and down for the fence for our bridge. Then the next thing I'm going to add is the outline of the trees up top. Right, so I'm just going to do some big bushy trees in the corners of my paper. I'm going to add a few leaves in. Okay, a leaf is really just almost like an oval. You can draw a line in it. So those are my leaf shapes. Finally, I'm going to draw Monet's famous water lilies at the bottom of my paper. First, a water lily sits on a lily pad, which is just a squiggly oval. I'm going to draw at least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the lily pads. Those are the green pieces that frogs like to leap on and the flowers grow on top of. Again, they almost just look like jelly beans. Very easy to draw. Now I'm going to draw the lily flowers themselves. I'm going to draw a smiley face and then a zigzag for my lily flowers. A smiley face and then zigzags. Okay, right on top. Now, if you finish this step, you may start to outline with oil pastel. I'm going to start with my greens. You are going to outline and color in the lily pads in green. Are the flowers green? No, they're different colors, but I'm going to outline and color in, right, my lily pad that the frogs are going to hop on. Now you can use different colors, so I'm going to use dark green for this one, maybe light green for this one. Now this is the only thing in the artwork that you're really going to color in all the way. Everything else you are going to outline because we are going to paint it next time I see you. Again, I'm going to switch colors. Make sure you are coloring the lily pads and not the flowers. Flowers are usually not green. So I'm coloring this in all the way. And then for the rest of my artwork, I'm going to outline. So I might actually add a little bit of grass down here, and I'm just doing lines very carefully with different colors. I'm not coloring a lot, I'm just doing lines, I'm outlining. And then I'm going to outline the trees at the top of my paper. Again, outline just means to trace over your lines, trace over your pencil lines. Okay. I'm going to trace over my pencil lines. Notice, am I coloring in my tree all the way? No, because we are painting it next time. All right, next you are going to go switch out your green pastels for some pink. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with some bright colors. These are the colors I would like you to use for your flowers and your bridge. These are really bright colors like red, pink, orange, and yellow. All right, so I'm going to color my flowers all different colors. Maybe I'll do one red, maybe I'll do one orange. Now these are very bright colors. Colors that would not be bright would be like blue. Blue is a dark color. Purple is a dark color. So we are not using blue or purple today. Right? That is because eventually we are going to paint, right, our whole artwork with blue and purple. Right? And then I'm going to use pink on this last one. And I'm coloring it in all the way inside the lines. Okay, so I have all my lily pads colored. Next, I'm going to pick a color to trace my bridge. I think I'm going to choose red. I'm going to really trace over and make sure I have some nice thick lines, thicker than my pencil, so that when I paint my artwork, you can still see my bridge. The trick about coloring with oil pastel is to press hard so that you can really see it and make it bright. If you press too soft, I'll show you, it definitely does not look as nice and bright, right? For example, here, I did not press as hard as I need to. So I'm going to go back over that and make it much brighter, all right? You are going to want to make sure that you do everything, all your tracing in oil pastel before you start to paint next time, right? You want to make sure it's nice and bright and that you have really taken your time to make it neat. Voila!